In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download free mockups from Behance. Whether you're a designer looking for inspiration or you need resources to showcase your work, Behance is a fantastic place to start. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow. First, open your web browser and head over to Behance's website. It's a hub for creatives sharing their work, and you'll be amazed by the diversity and range of projects you can find there. Simply type behance.net into your browser's address bar and press enter. Once you're on the home page, you'll find the site's interface sleek and user-friendly, created to allow easy access to what you're looking for. Now that you're on Behance, look for the search bar. This is your gateway to unearthing the numerous free mockup resources available. In the search bar, type in free mockups and hit the enter key. This search will pull up all the projects labeled with free mockup, and you'll see a wide array of options ranging from branding materials to product packaging to digital interface mockups and much more. After filtering through your search results, click on a mockup project that piques your interest. Keep in mind the kind of mockup that would best suit your needs, whether that's a business card, a t-shirt design, or any other kind of branding material. By clicking on a project thumbnail, you'll be taken to the project page where additional details and images will give you a clearer idea of what that particular mockup entails. Once you've decided on a mockup that you like, look for the Download Free Mockup Bundle option on that page. This button or link is generally quite prominent, as creators are eager for users to engage with their free content. Clicking on the download link will usually redirect you to another page. This page might be on a different platform or even a file sharing site where the mockup files are hosted. Don't be alarmed if this happens, as it's quite common for creators to use different storage solutions for their files. Each mockup download might have its own specific instructions, so make sure to follow these carefully. They might require you to click a few more links, enter an email for updates, or complete a simple CAPTCHA verification. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can now enjoy the myriad of free resources available at your fingertips on Behance. Enjoy exploring these creative assets and using them to elevate your designs or presentations. As a tip for future use, remember to bookmark the Behance website and check regularly, as new creative works and valuable free resources are frequently updated by talented artists worldwide. Happy designing!